Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the dividend compounding math model for generating $2,000 in monthly income. The main goal is to build a reliable stream of passive dividend income equal to $2,000 per month, or $24,000 per year. To calculate the portfolio required today, we first multiply the monthly income target of $2,000 by 12 months. This gives an annual dividend income target of $24,000. Next, we divide the annual income target by the expected dividend yield. In this example, the target dividend yield is 4%. Therefore, $24,000 divided by 4% gives a required portfolio value of $600,000. This means an investor would need approximately $600,000 invested in dividend-paying assets to immediately generate $2,000 per month at a 4% yield. However, dividend investing becomes more powerful when the income is reinvested and allowed to compound. In this model, dividends are assumed to grow by 6% per year. Reinvesting those dividends purchases additional shares, and those extra shares can generate even more dividends in the following years. As a result, the portfolio and dividend income can grow through a continuous snowball effect. The model also assumes that the market value of the investments increases by approximately 7% per year. Therefore, the total portfolio growth comes from two major sources. The first source is the rise in share prices, and the second source is the growth and reinvestment of dividends. At the starting point, the portfolio value is $600,000. The annual dividend income is $24,000, which is exactly $2,000 per month. After the first year, the portfolio is projected to grow to approximately $674,400. At the same time, annual dividend income rises to $25,440, or around $2,120 per month. Moving forward, the compounding effect becomes increasingly visible. By the end of year 3, the projected portfolio value reaches approximately $850,421. Annual dividend income grows to about $28,588, which is equal to roughly $2,382 per month. Then, by year 5, the portfolio value may increase to approximately $1,068,440. At this stage, annual dividend income reaches around $32,129, or approximately $2,677 per month. As the process continues, the portfolio is projected to reach nearly $1,500,000 by year 8. The annual dividend income at that point is approximately $38,211, which produces around $3,184 per month. Furthermore, by year 10, the projected portfolio value becomes approximately $1,856,391. The annual dividend income rises to about $42,893, or roughly $3,574 per month. Finally, at the end of year 12, the projected portfolio value reaches approximately $2,302,707. Annual dividend income increases to around $48,710. This is equivalent to approximately $4,059 per month, which is more than double the original monthly income goal. This example shows that once the $2,000 monthly target is achieved, continued dividend reinvestment and dividend growth can significantly increase future income. In addition, the investor does not need to sell shares to receive the income, provided the underlying companies continue paying sustainable dividends. The growth rate also has a major impact on the time required to reach the income target. With dividend growth of 4%, reaching the target may take approximately 15.6 years. At a 6% dividend growth rate, the estimated time falls to around 11.7 years. With 8% dividend growth, the target may be reached in approximately 9.1 years, while a 10% growth rate could reduce the period to around 7.3 years. Therefore, selecting financially strong dividend-paying companies is extremely important. Investors should look for consistent earnings, stable cash flow, manageable debt, a reasonable dividend payout ratio, and a strong record of dividend growth. At the same time, diversification across different industries can reduce the risk of depending too heavily on one company or one sector. It is also important to remember that this model is based on assumptions. Actual results can change because of market performance, dividend reductions, taxes, fees, inflation, and changes in interest rates. For this reason, The calculation should be used as an educational planning tool rather than a guaranteed investment outcome. Overall, the model demonstrates that achieving $2,000 per month in dividend income requires a clear income target, a suitable dividend yield, consistent reinvestment, long-term patience, and careful investment selection. The most important lesson is that compounding works gradually at first, but its impact becomes much stronger over time. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.